Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts. Try again later. On the application of Temu, we click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search about Temu. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your